Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food, Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare instant fluffy restaurant style dosa, often called as Spongy Dosa. The secret lies in adding poha, which are called as flattened rice, and ensuring a slightly thicker batter compared to the regular crispy dosa. Instant variation means no fermentation. If you are short on time, you can make an instant fluffy dosa using Rava or semolina. Ingredients needed for these fluffy, soft Rava poha dosas are 1 cup of Rava, medium or fine, half cup of poha, flattened rice, thick or thin, half cup of yogurt, slightly thick, 1 tablespoon salt for taste, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and water for blending and adjusting consistency, oil or ghee for cooking the dosas. First step is to soak the Rava and poha. In the mixing bowl, combine the Rava, rinse poha, curd and salt. Transfer the soaked mixture into a blender jar. Add a little water if needed. Blend it into smooth paste. Mix it well. Consistency should be semi-thick and flowy, similar to the pancake batter, but not as thin as traditional crispy Rava dosa batter. After mixing well in blender jar, transfer the ground batter to large bowl. Just before you are ready to make dosa, mix gently. Batter should become fluffy. Do not overmix after adding a leavening agent. Mixture should be blended on high speed. Adding cold water as necessary to achieve a medium thick consistency. Transfer the batter in other bowl. Cover it and place it in a warm place. Once fermented, gently stir the batter, add salt and mix well. If batter is too thick, add little water. Heat the oil on non-stick tawa or on an iron tawa over medium heat. Grease it lightly with a few drops of oil. Pour 1 ladle full of batter onto the center of tawa. Do not spread it thinly like a regular dosa. A light dab to shape it into the small thick circle is enough. Drizzle a little oil around the edge and on top. You can cover the tawa with a lid or cook on low-medium flame for about 30 seconds or until the top is cooked and air bubbles have formed. Fluffy dosa are typically only cooked on one side. Remove the fluffy dosa from the tawa and serve hot in a stack of chutney or sambar or other tomato chutney also. Repeat the same process for next dosa to cook. Heat the non-stick or cast iron tawa on medium heat. Lightly grease it again. Pour the ladle of batter. Do not spread it thin. Let it form a small thick circle naturally. For instant variation, no fermentation is needed for it. If you have a short time, you can make an instant fluffy dosa using semolina or rava. Mix 1 cup of rava, 1 cup of poha and 1 cup of curd. Let it rest for 15 minutes, then grind with 1 cup of water. Just before making the dosa, you can add baking soda to make the batter fluffy. This makes an instant fluffy dosa immediately. If you want maximum fluffiness, do not flip the dosa. The steam under the lid cooks the top. Small holes or pores will appear on the surface as it is cooked well. Drizzle little oil around the edge of the dosa. To serve this fluffy dosa with tomato chutney, we need the ingredients like 2 tomato chopped, 1 medium onion chopped, 4 to 6 dried red chilies, 1 tablespoon of oil, salt for taste, mustard seeds and curry leaves. Heat the oil in pan, add the chopped onion and saute until the color changes to brown. Add tomato and cook until it becomes soft. This all tomato, chop onions, ginger garlic paste. Mix it well till it is cooked and finally cool it down. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Transfer this mixture to a blender jar. You can add red chili in this mixture and salt also, and grind all the mixture to the smooth paste. After this, the tomato mixture is well grind to the smooth paste. Prepare the simple tempering with oil, mustard seeds and curry leaves, and pour this smooth paste over the chutney and mix it in the pan. Now the chutney is ready of tomato. You can serve this chutney with a fluffy spongy dosa. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Give this video a like. Turn on notification bell. Leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.